Fun Experimentals by Ashrit and Aishwarya.
Hello friends, today I will show you how to create Google Forms. First, we should open Google. And type Google Forms. And after that, click on First tab. And click on Go to Google Form. Then you should have a Google account to do Google Forms. Here I am already signed in. So click on Blank Form. So now first I will show you how to set settings. If you want the person to give his email, enable this, and if you want to give the person only one response, click on limit to one response. And if you want the person to edit after submission, enable this. If you want to give answers, click here, enable this button, make this a quiz, and after settings, click on save. Now first we will give title. So in description we should give like GK test. I am giving GK test. Now we will write the first question. Here I am writing, who is the Prime Minister of India? So after writing, if you want to insert an image, click here. And if you want format, if you can also give format like drop down, short answer, paragraph, multiple choice. Here I am taking multiple choice, and I am writing the first option as Narendra Modi. And second option as KCR. Now we will give the answer. Here click on answer key and here give the answer. And if you want to give the marks, you can give here. Here you can see two options, up arrow and down arrow. By clicking up arrow, the marks will be increased, and by clicking down arrow, the mark will be decreased. So I am keeping this for 2 marks. And if you want this question to be required, click here. To give another question, click here. Add question. You can see an option. So click on it, and here we will give the second question is, what is the capital of India? So after that, here I am keeping the format as drop down. So in the same way, here also we should give the options. First option I am giving Hyderabad. second option Mumbai. And third option is New Delhi. So here we will give answers. Here give the answer and give the marks. And click done. Now I'll show you how to send. You can send by copying the link and share, and you can share, and you can also send by an email. So here I am giving an email and click on send. It will be sent to the person. So now let's see how it is working. Here we will give the answer who is the Prime Minister of India. I am giving Narendra Modi. And here what is the capital of India? So I am giving New Delhi. So here we kept answers. That's why it is showing that here that's why it is enabled view score option. Here it is showing that two answers are correct because we gave the correct answers. Here you can also check the responses by here you can see. So you can see the person's response. You can also send feedback by clicking here. Okay, thank you friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.